As a supervisor or cell leader, it's helpful for me to be able to see in real time what's happening in the factory and the progress of jobs. Here I have a summarised view of my special cell. You can see 50% of the machines are running, and if I click on the section of the pie, I can see which machines that applies to. But maybe more importantly, to look at the reasons why machines aren't running. So here we can see that Akuma is currently waiting. You may prefer a more graphical view, and here, using an image of the shop floor as a background, we can see the Haas machine is stopped with an alarm condition, and the other machines are still running. We also have a tabular view option. I can look at the performance of machines to date in the current shift, and if I hover my mouse, I get more detailed information. It may be that I wish to have a look historically to see what happened on the previous shift, for example the night shift, or maybe over the weekend if I come in on a Monday morning. Here I can see the changes in status of the machine over a period of time, when users have logged on or off, and where we've changed the works order operation being worked on. Finally, if I select an individual machine, I can see the work queue as seen by the operator on the shop floor. So the Citizen machine is currently running a job, but it's overdue. It should have finished already, and the next job should have been started, so it's easy to see that we are already building up a backlog on this machine. The system enables me to look at the performance of my resources over time to try and identify any productivity losses in order that they can be reduced or eliminated. The system is highly configurable, allowing different views of the data. So here we're looking at a report for the current year, the pie chart indicating that I've achieved nearly 50% running time, but I can also see the amount of time lost to setting. If I click on the waiting segment of the pie, then I get the breakdown of the various status reasons within that category. It provides detailed analysis of the productivity of each machine, displaying the results in pie chart, bar chart and text table format, all accessed from the toolbar. A final example is this maintenance report, which shows how my maintenance downtime varies over the period. The job report module enables you to review the shop floor data collection bookings made on the shop floor. In the top half of the screen, I have a list of works orders, and below their corresponding operations. Yellow indicates work in progress, green completed, and blue interrupted or paused. I can search for a works order, and the system returns me 4 corresponding operations. And using the toolbar, I can look at the machine utilisation against the individual operation or the works order. Production time, setting time, lost time, and I can also look at planned versus actual comparison of setup time, production time for the batch, and total time for the batch. Where we have a red indicator here, you can see that we exceeded the setup time with half an hour to set. It has taken us nearly 2 hours, but we have managed to produce the parts and the total batch inside of our planned time. That information we may subsequently use to update standard times in our ERP or scheduling system.